Why does Alex always read so slow?
Maybe just need more time. No big deal.
I noticed too even started during the report last week.
He has dyslexia. That doesn't make him less smart.
Yeah, learning differently isn't a weakness.
Good morning, class. Today we have a group activity. Let's make sure that we help each other. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace.
Okay team, we're working on a poster about heroes you want to do it.
I can write the main point. Jay can design. Maybe Alex can read the article.
Maybe someone else should read. It's kind of hard to understand when he reads aloud.
Jake, that's not fair. Give him a chance. He just needs a little help.
I'll do it with you. We'll go sentence by sentence, no rush.
I learned that being patient helps everyone feel safe and confident.
And by helping a classmate doesn't mean doing the work for them. It means working with them.
I want to say sorry to Alex. I did understand before, but today I saw how hard he tries. That's real strength.
Beautifully said. In this class, we grow by lifting each other. Everyone has the potential. You just need to be seen, understood, and be supported.
Great job, Alex! You were awesome today.
Goodbye.
我们做的背老仔，脖子上喜欢挂玉牌，香炉供台上摆，长大才开白黄牌。